Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. If you hear, say, Jesus, I come visit your town, and you well want to see him, where you would have willing to do, to make sure, say you see him, eh? Either climb one tree, think about it. And while you're thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 19 from verse 1 to verse 10. Jesus did go through Jericho, which part one man named Zacchaeus did live. Zacchaeus I did one of the head tax collector them, and him did well rich. Him did want to see who Jesus be. But through him did so short, and cause the crowd did so big, him couldn't see him. So him run in front of them and climb one tall tree so him could have see. Cause Jesus did a walk that way there. When Jesus reached the tree, him look up and said to him, Zacchaeus, come down now. Me have to turn your yard today. So Zacchaeus come down same time and did glad to welcome Jesus in a house. The people see this and they start grumble. Him gang go turn at once in a man yard. Zacchaeus stand up before everybody and said to the Lord, look, Lord, half of what me have, me I go give to the poor. And if me rob nobody, me will pay them back 4 times when me did thief. Jesus said to him, say, today, that family a get saved. Cause that man ya, I wanna Abraham pickney too. The man where God pick, come for look for people were lost and save them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.